In this example, let's see how we can compare two strings, okay, by using one of the string function, that is strcmp. Okay, strcmp takes the two strings and compare, and it returns 0 if both the strings are equal, otherwise it returns non-zero value. Okay, in this example I am comparing both the strings, that is str1 and str2. In both the strings I have written as Amar. Okay, uh, let's compare both the strings. strcmp is a string function which we are using to compare these two strings. str1 and str2 are the strings we are going to compare. Okay, if both are equals, it returns 0. Okay, then only it will go inside the if block. Okay, if both are equals, it will print strings are equal, otherwise it will print strings are not equal. Okay, let's run the example. Okay, yeah, now both the strings are equal, that's why the result is strings are equal. Okay, now I am changing, instead of small letter a I am changing to capital A. Okay, let's see the result. If it is the string comp function gives 0 only if the both the strings are equal, otherwise it will returns non-zero value. Okay, see, strings are not equal because small letter is not equal to capital letter, because like in ASCII value of the small a is different and ASCII value of the capital A is different. That's why it is returning non-zero value. That's why it is not going inside this if block, it is printing the else statement. Okay, like this we can compare the two strings using strcmp function. Okay, thank you.